Agriculture. Please answer them.
Speaker, this opposition party should be ashamed to ask us about farmers. Have you not seen their administration for so many years, Madam Speaker?
Yes.
Do they care about farmers, Madam Speaker? Do we not know what support prices was given to the farmers, Madam Speaker? But in the coming days, no farmers should sell their crop for less than the minimum support prices decided by the government. Leaders, through you, Madam Speaker.
Question number 2. Please ask the question MLA M. Negru.
Honorable Speaker, by introducing free bus scheme, auto drivers, van drivers and some many other transporters will get losses. How the government will handle this situation, Madam Speaker? I am expecting answer from the Transport Minister through you, Madam Speaker.
Minister of Road and Transport. Please respond to his question.
Honorable Speaker, our government is not blind to make fast decisions, Madam Speaker. This situation is already in our sight. We said free buses only for women and not for men. It would be good if the opposition recognized that, Madam Speaker. If all the women travel in by buses for free, then all the men travel in autos and vans by paying money. So there is no loss to anyone because of this, Madam Speaker.
Question number 3. Please ask the question MLA J. Siri.
Nowadays, alcohol has become a part of life for the most of the youth, and because of this, many people's lives are becoming miserable. What action is going to be taken on this, Madam Speaker? I am asking the government to answer this through you.
We have already come to a decision on this matter. There are more than 2,600 wine shops in our state, and in connection, they have more than 1 lakh bell shops. The previous government had encouraged them 24/7. We do not tolerate it anymore, Madam Speaker. Now, I had issued orders to the Excise Department to seize all the bell shops within no time. So all the bell shops will be closed soon, Madam Speaker. Not only this, talks are also going on to change the timings of wine shops from 24/7. I am informing this to the people of the state and all the legislators through you, Madam Speaker.
Question number 4. Please ask the question MLA Santosh Reddy.
Honorable Speaker, there is only one doctor available for every 1,000 people, Madam Speaker. Keeping the increasing population in mind, what does our government will going to do? I am asking the Home Minister to answer this question through you, Madam Speaker.
Home Minister, please respond.
Honorable Speaker, we have recently come into power. We have already collected the data of exactly how many medical colleges there in our this state and how many students are passing out in them every year. After analyzing, we will definitely come to a conclusion and will start constructing of new colleges and appoint new doctors.
Question number 5. Please ask the question MLA Sai Charan.
Honorable Speaker, 10th class final exams were not conducted as paper 1, paper 2 due to coronavirus and marked as one paper, which the students had suffered, Madam Speaker. Now there are no problem. So what is the government going to do? I am asking the Education Minister through you, Madam Speaker.
education. Please answer them.
Honorable Speaker, I agree that it would be good if the system of prior education is implemented. But, Madam Speaker, in the meantime, without putting the students who are used to this method in doubt again, this time we will continue the same method and conduct a survey on this and take appropriate action.
Question number 6. Please ask the question MLA P. Prashanti.
Honorable Speaker, RTC is already in losses, but the government says free travel for women. It is like a ham fruit falling on your morning box, Madam Speaker. Is it correct to say that bus travel free for all women without mentioning any categories, Madam Speaker? I am asking the Finance Minister to answer through you that how they can replace it, Madam Speaker.
Minister of Finance, please answer them.
The scheme has already been implemented in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka states. Our government is trying to continue with the same spirit, Madam Speaker. I assure the people of the state that it will surely succeed, Madam Speaker. Yes, Madam Speaker, we have not mentioned any categories because we said that we would implement the free bus scheme for women if we came into power. We will continue this for a few days, Madam Speaker. We will announce what categories we will consider for the women for free buses soon, Madam Speaker.
The remaining questions are postponed. Now, 0 hour. The 0 hour should be completed within half an hour, after which there will be a discussion on the bill. So please, if the honorable members ask any questions directly and briefly, the ministers will answer.
Honorable Speaker, Tunapatti constituency is the worst among all constituencies. Here the farmers are facing crop loss every time. So I request the government dig the ponds in our constituency as soon as possible, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Speaker, the matter mentioned by the honorable member has been noted, and surely the government will take all necessary measures in that regard.
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, इलाज के लिए कई कई घंटों लाइन में खड़ा रहना पड़ता है। लोगों के लिए तो इस तरह लाइन में खड़ा होना थोड़ा मुश्किल है और गर्भवती महिलाओं के लिए तो और भी मुश्किल है। सभापति महोदया, इस मामले पर सरकार को जवाब देना चाहिए। अध्यक्ष महोदया,
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, माननीय सदस्य आयमान द्वारा उल्लेखित बिंदु नोट कर लिया गया। लोगों के स्वास्थ्य के बारे में आपकी चिंता के लिए धन्यवाद और सरकार आपके द्वारा बताए गए मामले पर उचित कार्रवाई करेगी।
Honorable Speaker, due to untimely rains every year, many villages like those located in the coastal areas of the Godavari River are inundated. Government is taking temporary measures, but no measures are being taken on permanent basis of the people of such villages whose low-lying areas are getting flooded, Madam Speaker. So, I request the government to provide a permanent basis of the people of such villages whose low-lying areas are getting flooded, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Speaker, the matter mentioned by Honorable Member Ansika was noted.
Government bills passing will be a